What is up, everybody? It's your boy King Cat back at you with another video.
Meet my parrot. I just got him today. He's so cute. Look at him. Look at him. Just look at him. Yeah, I got a parrot. Easy to take care of. So, what is up, everybody? It's your boy King Cat back here with another video. It is I'm uploading a video to my Facebook, to KingCobb93 on Facebook. Look it up, and I will probably make a link on this video to that. So go over and like and follow and do all that good stuff, and you will see a lot more. And I'm growing my hair back. Kind of hard to see in the lighting. Let's see. No. But you can see a little bit. Growing that back. So I might be shaving this, so I don't look so homeless. Yeah. Anyway, how you guys doing? It's been a few days. I uploaded a video, two videos, 2 days ago. Both songs. Did you guys like them? Did you? Did you? Did you? If you did not, go over and like them, please. And watch them all. Watch it all. Anyway, it is time to gamble. Not really. So, champions, I'll let you guys go. I've been going on for 2 minutes, 25 seconds now. Well, now. Hopefully you guys like this. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button down below. Just hit it. So, I'll see you guys on the flip side. Peace out.